Hello, friends. Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now, if you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Valerian. So in this lesson, we will be looking at how to calculate how much fabric you will need for a double duvet cover. Now, the standard measurement for a double duvet cover is 78 inches by 86 inches. And what we'll do is use a fabric that's, we could do one that's 54 inches or we could do one that's 60 inches. Now, it doesn't matter if it's 54 or it's 60. Just by looking at the width here of the duvet, you will realize that the fabric is narrower than the duvet, so we will need two widths of the fabric. So let's use 54 inches, 54-inch wide fabric. So when we look at the width of the fabric here, 54 inches, it's less than 78 inches. So we will need two widths of fabric. Now the next thing that we do is take the length of the duvet cover, which is 86 inches, and we will multiply by 2. And we do that because we need two widths. So we need two 86 inches piece of fabric just for the front of the duvet. So that's 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, and 172 inches. Now that will cover the front of the duvet. However, the duvet has two sides, right? So we have to go ahead and multiply this by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, and 1 3. So that's 344 inches. Now, what I'll do next is add increments for your seam allowance. There'll be one at the top and one at the bottom. You can add 2 inches for the seam allowance, so 346 inches. You could just do 350 inches, right? It's not a big deal because you will just make sure you have enough fabric, plus whatever is left over you can use to make decorative accessories, right? So that 346 inches of fabric you will need to make your complete duvet. However, we don't generally go to the store and ask for fabric in inches. We do so in yards. So we'll go ahead and divide 346 by 36. And that is because there are 36 inches in a yard of fabric. So that will be 9.61 yards of fabric. So we will need 9.61 yards of fabric to make our complete duvet back and front now. And you could go ahead and round that up to 10 yards. As I said, the extra can be used to make decorative accessories. Now, if you don't want to use two widths of fabric, you can try to get sheeting fabric instead. So it's going to be double width so that you don't have to join panels. If you really find something that you really like and you need to join panels, I will link a video for you that shows you the best way to join your panels so that it looks intentional and it just doesn't look like you threw two pieces of fabric together. Okay, and so yeah, I linked that video for you. I hope this video lesson is helpful. If it is, please hit that like button and the share button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I will see you in the next video.